In today's video, you will learn how to change background in Photoroom PC. Changing the background of an image is a great way to make your photos look cleaner, more professional, and more visually appealing. To begin, start by selecting your picture, click on Insert, and then choose Select an Image. This allows you to browse through your files and choose the exact image you want to edit. Once you select your photo, it will be uploaded into the editor and displayed on your workspace. At this stage, you should see the original background still attached to the image. Depending on the photo you selected, this could be a room, an outdoor scene, a plain wall, or any other type of background. The next step is to remove the existing background. In many cases, Photoroom automatically detects the subject and removes the background for you as soon as the image is uploaded. If it does not happen automatically, simply click on Remove Background. The software will begin analyzing the image and separating the main subject from the background using AI tools. Once the background has been removed, you can begin replacing it with a completely different style. Click on Backgrounds to access the available background options. Here you can choose between AI-generated backgrounds or solid colors depending on the style you want for your final image. AI backgrounds are useful if you want a more realistic or creative environment behind your subject, while solid color backgrounds are perfect for professional product images, profile pictures, or clean minimalist designs. You can preview different backgrounds to see which one works best with your image. This makes it easy to completely transform the appearance of your photo in just a few clicks. Using the right background can help your image stand out more and create a much more polished result overall. And that is how to change background in Photoroom PC using automatic background removal and background replacement tools.